If you also want to do computer vision related projects, this course is for you. If you also want to do image tracking or object detection, this course is for you. Welcome to this complete OpenCV course with handwritten notes. We will start from the very basics in this course and then we will become a very pro person in OpenCV. The question arises, what is OpenCV? OpenCV is a module which can be used to perform computer vision related tasks very easily. Things like object detection or face recognition or image processing or conversion to HSV format, all these things can be done very easily using OpenCV. OpenCV is basically a module in Python that can be used to do these things, and also this software can be used to do these things: artificial intelligence, machine learning, face recognition, computer vision, deep learning, and the list will continue. Yeah, if I give you one image and I say that convert this image into grayscale format, then what you can do, you can either use the Photoshop, that is image editor software. I will write here Photoshop. Guys, don't mind the handwriting. I am not on tablet, I am on the screen, so it is like this. Let it be. One thing is you can do this. Other thing which I can suggest, you can use OpenCV. This can be used to do image processing. Image processing is very easy task in OpenCV. Things like automated cars which will be in future, and those will also use image processing to sense the objects on the road and work accordingly. Then we can use OpenCV. Why to use OpenCV? You all know the motive of using OpenCV. I promise you that you will definitely go after learning something after this course. I will now tell you a few facts about OpenCV module. Actually, it was developed by Intel in 1999. This OpenCV software. CUDA-based GPU interface has been used since 2010. If you are not understanding this line, let me tell you. This one is just to execute the image processing things a bit faster and in more effective way. This is CUDA and GPU based things. There are more than 2500 optimized algorithms in OpenCV. What are those algorithms like? They are like object detection, you can do object tracking, image processing, face detection, and many more things. Each thing has a different algorithm, so the list just continues. And it is like 2500 plus algorithms are there. It is being used by more than 18 million users, you guys see here. You guys see what is the growth of OpenCV since 1999. Even it is used by such vast companies like Google, Yahoo, Microsoft, Intel, IBM, Sony, Honda, Toyota. Why? Because it has got some features that help these companies to grow their business. That's why only they are using OpenCV. OpenCV is a very great thing. It has been written in C++, Python, Java, and MATLAB. These things are used to write OpenCV, and it is supported on all types of operating systems like Windows, Linux, Android, Mac OS. So all these were just some quick facts about OpenCV. So now let's start on this course and open the notes also, which I had said that I have provided notes of everything. Okay, now this one is the notes for this zeroth part, that is introduction. I will add more notes on this. I have just taken clicks of these only till third part. I will add all of them. Now I will actually add all of them gradually because I also have to write all of this. So part 0, introduction to OpenCV. What is OpenCV? OpenCV is a great tool used for image processing. This is the main thing about OpenCV. This can be used for performing computer vision related tasks and execution of various artificial intelligence or machine learning models. This can do various tasks like face detection and recognition and object tracking, and I have told about many things in the presentation only, like object detection, etc. Now we will jump on to the theories of this. Image contains only two colors is called binary image. That is black and white. I can show you one image of a binary image. I will go to the images tab. This thing is called binary image. It contains only two colors, that is black and white. I will open this image in new tab. See, the black parts are 1 and the white areas are 0. You know that binary means 0 and 1s, only these two. So black is 1, 0 is white area. Image containing multiple shades of gray is called grayscale image. Grayscale image I will write here, and this is just a grayscale image. This one. This is a grayscale image that contains shades of gray only. Image containing all colors and their shades called BGR image. Like all the normal images that you see are BGR only. BGR image, and then I must get something like this. This one is a BGR image, that is blue, green and red. This is RGB, this is BGR. There is a difference in these two. So now we will see the installation because we need to use OpenCV. I want you guys to start OpenCV as fast as possible and get the taste of OpenCV. The easiest way to install OpenCV is from CLI, but if you are using Anaconda or such editor, you can configure from there. But now I will show you using my CLI only. I will open my Windows PowerShell. I will write here that pip install OpenCV minus contrib minus Python. Now I will press my enter key. Then what it will do, it will install OpenCV into my machine. It will download all the packages and required modules, and it will then download the complete OpenCV module into my machine. Now it is already installed, so it is like requirement already satisfied. But if you are using for the first time, you will not get this. This will install OpenCV module along with contribution modules. This is the purpose of using this contrib keyword. You must have some knowledge of Python programming before using OpenCV. So if you are having no knowledge of Python, you can see my this course. This Python course, let me show you. It is uploaded on my channel. That is like 6 hour 48 minutes like video. This one. This one video you can see this, or even you can see the notes. If you want to refer them, you can even see the notes of this. I will come here and I will go to my GitHub profile. I will go to my repository section, and then you have to come here, Python course with notes, and whatever chapter you want. Suppose you want to see if else conditions notes, you will just open this one, and these notes will open. You may download all these notes together. This is these are my notes, so you can download all these things. Now I will return back to my OpenCV notes. So we will use Python along with OpenCV in this course, so you must have basic knowledge about this. I will open my VS Code into this folder. If you don't know what is VS Code, it is just a source code editor. Now I will open my this one folder into VS Code, and then I will create one file called as, I will make it as tut0.py, means tutorial 0. Then what can you do? Import OpenCV as CV2. OpenCV module will be imported into your this file, and that will be imported as CV2. Now I will even select my Python interpreter. Now I will run this. You guys will see that there is no error. If I had not installed OpenCV, I will get error. You all know, because now it is no module named OpenCV. I am getting module import error. Let me solve it. Guys, somehow I have sorted out my error. I had gone really crazy because what I had written before, I had written import OpenCV as CV2, but it is actually not like that. OpenCV module is completely combined inside the CV2. I will write this comment here that OpenCV and this is noted as CV2 so that any other person does not get this kind of weird error again. I got a lot of my time wasted on this. Okay, it's okay. Now returning back to the notes. So hope you understood this video, and the next video we will start the main things. So let's meet in the next video of this playlist.